Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have incredible pumpkin spice latte recipe for you guys. For this recipe we need a small pot. In a small pot we are adding 1 cup of milk. Instead of milk we can use almond milk or oat milk. Then we are adding 1 tablespoon pumpkin puree, for sweetening we add 1 teaspoon of honey, or you can use maple syrup or regular cane sugar. Now we add half a teaspoon vanilla extract, for rich flavor we are adding half a teaspoon pumpkin spice, and that's it guys. I'm turning my heat up to low and then gently whisk all ingredients together until they are incorporated. Once we have got our milk and pumpkin and all our spices warm and incorporated, then we take pot from the stove. Now time to mix shots of espresso with pumpkin milk. If you would like to get the beautiful foam, then you can use milk frother. For last touch, I'm adding whipped cream and some pumpkin pie spice. Our beautiful, incredible pumpkin latte is ready. Now you can enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.